Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make sketch effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So we will be writing here YouTube thumbnail and click on enter and choose a blank thumbnail from here. And in upload section, as you can see, we have uploaded a image of a tiger. So we will do the effect on that. So we will just enter it on the canvas by clicking it, make it bigger so that the effect, as I show you, becomes a broader one. So we will just crop it so that we can show the effect on the left side and the right side remains the normal color. So we will just crop it from here and we keep it like that, and we will duplicate it, place it in the same angle, and this time we will bring the left side and we'll crop this part, that this part is adjoining. So this is done. So in this left side we will be showing the effect. So how to do it? So click on it so that we can adjust this panel. So bring on the effects and just scroll down so that you can find this glitch effect. Go to see all and click on trace. So as you can see, triple colors are coming here, so we have to adjust it. So click on adjust here and place the amount to 0 so that we can just neutralize the colors and neutralize the color from here, and decrease the brightness so that we can make the sketch effect, and increase the power. You can increase the power according to your demand. So just increase the colorize to 0.1 so that it looks good, and let's unzoom it and see if it is working or not. So it is working fine. So as you can see, there is a layer created on this middle portion, like two difference coming is there. So how to remove that? So for that we have one idea. So let's show that. So we will just create a duplicate image of it. So we will just use this, duplicate it to bring this one, and just bring it down so that we can rasterize this layer, and just bring up to use the original one. Now this tail part we'll use to merge the difference here. How to do it? Let's show it. So we'll rotate it, bring it in here, bring it in the front by clicking on bring forward or bring to front. You can do that. So let's make it size bigger and just rotate it so that it fits. So this is this part which is fitting. So how to remove these parts which are getting out of this? So before that we will just adjust the colors so that it looks similar. So we will just increase the contrast and decrease the brightness so that it adjusts the colors, and after that we will just remove this part. So how to do it? Go to elements, go to lines and shapes, decrease the size and place it here. So to adjust this you have to use this arrow keys, as this is quite small, so you can't adjust it with this mouse key. So we have to change this gray color to white and duplicate it another time so that a small edge is missing out, and we can adjust that. Make it a size smaller and use arrow keys to adjust it. So this is done. Now we will duplicate it another time to remove the lower part and change this keys to adjust it, and duplicate it once again so that we can move this effect here, rotate it so that we can use it again. So let's zoom it, and as you can see, this effect is done, and hope you find it quite useful. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring new tutorials and we can get more motivation to make new videos for you. Please comment if you have any type of issue in making this tutorial for you, and please share your works and DM us on Insta so that we can project your works on our Instagram profile. Thank you. Visit again.